Alright YouTube, so this is the 2.1 amplifier. It's a class D amplifier that you have seen before, and then today I've connected this to these two bookshelf speakers, the mini bookshelf speakers, and they have 4-inch full range driver and a 1-inch dome tweeter, and these are from Yamaha. You have seen this before too in the unboxing video. They came with a package with two bookshelf speakers and a center channel speakers. They are made for 5.1 home theater setup, and these are being used for the surround speakers. So I've connected this two to this amplifier. I didn't connect any subwoofer. I'm going to do that later. So this thing is connected to a 12 volt 5 amp power supply, and let's turn this on and check the sound, how it sounds, these two bookshelf speakers. And let me tell you that these are not a ported one, not bass reflex. These are completely sealed speakers, so the sound is going to be different, I think. So let's do that.
You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay, won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. And we can't control it. My bones, I'm coming for it, coming for it. never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins, won't play it safe. I don't belong with you, no baby. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane, it's your mistake.